Good day. Good day to you all learners. Welcome back to our video, to our lesson video. Today we are going to be discussing map work and the geography. Yes, and our map work skills. So we're going to be discussing fundamentally the two types of maps, the scales of these maps, and also calculating the distance around these maps, the actual distance AD. Yes, so we have two types of maps. Okay, we have two types of maps, namely we have topographic map, the topographic, and we have an orthophoto map. An orthophoto map. Okay, so we have topographic map and orthophoto map. Mind you, I said we are going to be also discussing the scales of these maps because they have different scales. For instance, okay, in terms of the scales, this one, the topographic map, is 1, the scale is 1:50,000. Okay, and also orthophoto map, the scale is 1:10,000. Okay, so this simply means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground or on the real ground. Okay, let's say we have a map. Okay, so in our map, if you take your ruler, a straight line ruler, a ruler that is measured in centimeters, if you put your ruler, you could see that maybe from here to here is 1 centimeter. From here to here is 1 centimeter. And you should know this 1 centimeter in real or in the actual ground, it represents 50,000 centimeters on the real ground. But we are going to discuss more about that. So also in orthophoto map, 1 centimeter on the map represent 10,000 centimeters on the actual ground. So let me write it down. So for topographic map, for topographic map, it says 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeter on the actual ground. Okay, 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. For orthophoto map, this was topographic map. For orthophoto map, one centimeter on the map. And mind you guys, the black and the brownish map is orthophoto map that has the scale of 1:10,000. Okay, please don't forget it. So 1 centimeter on the map represents 10,000 centimeters on the actual ground. Okay, so that's how it goes. So that's how it goes. And mind you guys, in terms of the scales, as you can see, the scales of the topographic map and also an orthophoto map. For topographic map specifically, it says 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. Okay, this means, as I have explained, 1 centimeter on the map, it represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. And therefore, for the orthophoto map, 1 centimeter on the map represents 10,000 centimeters on the actual ground. This means that the orthophoto map scale is bigger. I'm saying it again because the question like this is going to come out during exams. Orthophoto map scale is bigger. Then the topographic map scale is smaller than the orthophoto map scale. So let me write it down also. So orthophoto map scale is bigger. Why? Because orthophoto is converted by 10,000 centimeters. When 10,000 centimeters is equal to 1 centimeters, while topographic map is converted by 50,000 centimeters, which is also equal to 1 centimeter. All right, so the orthophoto map scale is bigger. Put that in your mind. Why? Because the orthophoto map is converted by 10,000 centimeters, whereby this 10,000 centimeters, which represents the real ground, 10,000 centimeters, which is equal to 1 centimeter on the map. While in topographic map is converted by 50,000 centimeters there on the real ground, which is also equal to 1 centimeters. Meaning that the orthophoto map is converted in lesser distance in terms of the actual ground, but the topographic map is converted in 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground, which is bigger, the 50,000 centimeters, but they are all equal to 1 centimeters, meaning that the orthophoto map scale is bigger. I think you understand. Okay? Yes. So in topographic map, let me say like this. Sorry. Okay. We have let's say on this side topographic map. In topographic map, your 1 centimeter is equals to 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. Okay, so in map work, we mostly work with centimeters, meters, as well as kilometers. So you have to be able to convert these centimeters to meters and these centimeters to kilometers. Okay, so let's take it to meters. 1 centimeter is equal to how many? So in order for you to take centimeters to meters, you multiply by, okay, so we have let's say we have kilometers, we have hectometers, we have decameters, we have meters, we have decimeters, we have centimeters, we have millimeters. Okay, so let's say we have 1 million here. So I was saying in order for you to convert centimeters to meters, you have to multiply by, as you can see, we want to take meters to centimeters. Okay, let's start to meters. When you start to meters, write 1. Okay, so 1, 2, these are centimeters, meaning that we multiply by 100. Okay, so when you take centimeters to meters, we multiply by 100. Okay, don't forget that. And also, if you want to take okay, but so this means that you are going to multiply by 500 because your scale is 50,000 centimeters, so 500. Okay, so it's equal to 500 meters. So you 1 centimeter again to take it to kilometers. As you can see, we are going to multiply by 0.5. So you are going to multiply by 0.5, as you can see. Okay, because why? Let me write it again. These are for meters. These are for meters to centimeters. Okay, so we have King Henry died in a misery, death called misery. Okay, so you have your scale, which is 50,000 centimeters. We stop on centimeters. Okay, so in order for you to change these 50,000 centimeters as a scale to kilometers, you are going to multiply by 0.5. So 0.5 kilometers is equal to 50,000 centimeters. Okay, so you're going to multiply by 0.5 is equal to kilometers. So if they ask you to calculate a distance, for example, on a map, you're going to use the ruler from a certain point to a 2 point, to the point that you're going to. Okay, let's say you get 2 centimeters using your ruler. So they say that your answer must be in kilometers, as well as always your answer must be in kilometers when you are working in actual distance, when you are calculating the actual distance. So you have to multiply using your kilometers. So you are going to multiply with 0.5 kilometers. Okay, yes. So for orthophoto map, orthophoto map, For orthophoto map, so 1 centimeter is equals to 10,000 centimeters. All right, so let's take it to meters. So 1 centimeter is equals to 100. It's 100. So we're going to multiply that that 1 is centimeter with 100. Mind you, to take it to meters, we multiply by 100. Okay, so it's going to be 100 meters. So let's take it to kilometers. So for kilometers, it's 0,1. It's going to be 0,1. It's going to be 0,1 kilometers. Okay. So I think you understood the concept of these different maps. Okay, yes. So mostly in the orthophoto map, calculating things like gradient and so on, you use orthophoto map. But calculating things like distance, you calculate using the topographic map. So for orthophoto map, you should know, if you're using orthophoto map and they said calculate a distance between two spot heights or gradient and so on, because for a gradient you have to also calculate a distance. So you have to for your answer to be in meters, you have to multiply by 100. If you want your answer to be in centimeters, you have to multiply by 10,000 centimeters. And if you want your answer to be in kilometers, you have to multiply by 0,1 kilometers. All right? Okay. That's how it goes. More content is coming for other calculations of map work skills, as well as the theory of the map work, which is Geographical Information System, GIS. Thank you so much for watching the lesson. I wish you have learned something for calculating a distance and other calculations. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like the videos, and share it to your friends.